Hello everyone, こんにちは. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Did you check my Japanese snack for kids? Recipes? And this is a volume 2. And today, we're going to make no-egg Japanese sweets with using special Japanese ingredients like wheat gluten, soybean powder, we say Kinako, and also soy milk. I hope you can get those ingredients at your local supermarket or Asian supermarket. And today's sweets are very easy to cook. We are going to make 3 sweets today. 1. Soy milk pudding. And 2. Here are my helpers, Mario and Luigi, the toy poodles. If you want to know how they live in Tokyo, please check my private blog. It's YUCa's diary. And 2. Tofu and Kinako cookies. And 3. Wheat gluten rusk. So we are going to make those 3 sweets. During this video, I'll give you some useful techniques and cooking ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So 3 no egg Japanese sweets for kids are ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。So I'll start the soy milk pudding. The texture is really jiggly, puru-puru, like mochi. It's more chewy rather than traditional pudding, and it goes well with matcha powder and anko red beans. And I can taste very natural and comfort flavor from soy milk. And the red bean paste and pudding is a different texture, so it's a good contrast. I pour a little bit kuromitsu, so it also adds good flavor, and I'll drink coffee. Now next, let's try wheat gluten rusk. It's so light. Nice flavor from butter and caramel. Wheat gluten is soft and dry, so it's a different texture. It's good. I always used wheat gluten for savory food, but it might be good to use for sweets as well. Lots of possibility in the future. Okay, and the last one, Luigi. And the last one, tofu and Kinako cookies. This is Luigi. And this is Mario. I'll taste Mario. It's very crunchy, and I can taste the gentle flavor from soybean powder. And sometimes I can taste chocolate and strawberry flavor from the decoration. I can slightly taste tofu. Yum! 美味しかったです。ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations from today's recipes. Tip: when you make soy milk pudding, at some point the texture suddenly changes, so don't stop stirring. And tip: when you make wheat gluten rusk, in order not to burn the butter, please put the sugar in early stage and mix all together. And tip: when you make tofu and Kinako cookies, so please always mix powders in advance. So those are tips and recommendations of today's recipes. So I hope these kid-friendly Japanese sweets makes you and your family and your loved one happy. Now if you watch my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. I introduce many Japanese food, including baby meals and kids-friendly Japanese food. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!